House K by Kart Projects was envisioned as a refined transformation for a family of 4, centered on a single-story design that maximized both indoor comfort and outdoor garden space. Despite the relatively small plot, the goal was to create an open, interconnected home while retaining much of the greenery the family cherished. To achieve this, the architects carefully balanced new construction with the existing structure, enhancing each area by merging functionality rather than adding distinct rooms. This approach led to a 50 square meter addition that seamlessly expanded the home's footprint by only 30 square meters. The expansion introduced versatile spaces that blended multiple purposes, maximizing light and openness within a cozy layout. The living areas are organized around a cleverly concealed storage hub that houses a retractable TV and other technology. This central feature not only serves functional needs, but also fosters a natural flow between the existing study and the newly added living room. A cozy daybed is nestled against the storage volume, providing a seamless connection between the rooms and encouraging family gathering in a relaxed and adaptable space. Outdoors, the thoughtful landscaping continues this theme with a series of overlapping zones for planting, swimming, and gathering. This layering creates a cohesive aesthetic punctuated by an above-ground pool, a long concrete bench, and a custom steel fireplace that echoes the storage unit's design. From the exterior, House K's new addition stands out with its dark cladding, punctuated by deep red door reveals and vertical fins that bring texture and depth to the facade. These architectural details not only provide aesthetic interest but also offer functional benefits, shielding the windows and doors from the elements. The juxtaposition of dark and red tones sets a striking boundary between the new and old, respecting the original structure while offering a fresh, modern touch that redefines the home's presence. The architects opted for a setback design from the northern boundary to bathe the living spaces in natural light. This positioning created dual perspectives in the living room, offering the family an ever-present connection to the garden. Inside, the new addition pays homage to the original house's cellular layout through the distinctive coffered ceiling volumes that define each room from above. These ceiling designs subtly differentiate areas, elevating the spatial experience by playing with varied heights and creating a layered atmosphere. In one of these ceiling voids, a skylight draws sunlight deep into the home, infusing even the innermost areas with brightness and warmth. Material choices play a significant role in defining House K's character, with blocks of texture and color distinguishing old and new sections of the house. The existing home is split into 2 contrasting areas: a light-filled section for the children's bedrooms and study, and a darker, moodier zone that houses the main bedroom, ensuite, and corridor leading to the extension. The newly added spaces embrace a more minimalist palette, where terrazzo flooring and plywood walls create an airy, pared-back environment that invites relaxation. The kitchen, designed with 2 sleek black cabinets, adds a touch of understated sophistication, contrasting with the overall warmth. In essence, House K embodies a balanced blend of tradition and innovation, catering to the family's needs for connectedness and functionality while preserving the lush garden space they love. The architectural design by Kart Projects achieves a harmonious dialogue between indoor and outdoor spaces, light and dark, old and new, resulting in a modern sanctuary that breathes warmth and adaptability into everyday life.